Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see Python's custom path installation. So before going for actual installation, what I have done, I have created one folder on C drive with name Python, and in this folder already I have Python 3.8 and 3.9 installation. So next I am going to install Python 3.12, which is the latest version. For that I will create here one folder Python 12. So here we are going to see Python custom path installation. So instead of installing Python in system's default path, we are going to give custom path for installation. So I have created here one folder Python 12. So this folder is a I have created Python folder, and in that folder I have created this Python 12. So I have already Python 3.8 and 3.9 in my computer. So next you have to open Chrome, and here you have to give download Python. So here I will click on first link, that is python.org. So latest version I am going to install. So here I am going to click download Python 3.12. So its exe will get downloaded. So I will save that in downloads folder. So now exe is downloaded. So now I will open this, and you have to double click on this exe. So now here it is showing install now. So it is showing system default path. So if I don't customize path, the Python will get installed in this path, but I don't want to install in system default path. So I will go for customize installation. So before that you have to click this checkbox. Because of this you can access Python from any location or any path, from any path in your computer. So you have to click on custom installation, you have to click on next, and here it is still showing default path. We don't want default path, so we will click on browse, and then we will go to our Python 12 folder, so which is we have created in C drive. So Python, and in this Python folder we have Python 12. So we will select this and install it. So our Python is now getting installed in that folder. So once it will get completed, I will resume video. Now installation is successful. It is showing setup was successful. You have to click on close. Then you have to go start menu, and here you will see latest installation. It is showing Python 3.9, but we have installed Python 12 3.12. So here 3.12 is there. So you have to click on this ideally. So now it is showing ideally, that is integrated development environment, right? So in this way your Python is installed in your computer. So you can use this Python ideally for your programming practice. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification.